I just filmed like a 5-minute intro and I didn't have my camera turned on. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome. We are going to be talking about RODAN+FIELDS' newest product today. So we are going to be talking about the plumping lip oils, and there are 4 different shades. I have all 4 of them here because I couldn't resist. I just had to have all of them. And originally when I was looking at them, I was like, there's probably 2 of them I don't think I'm ever gonna wear, but these aren't super pigmented, which I'm okay with, and I actually like all of them. So we're gonna get into what they are and then we're gonna swatch them. I am actually wearing the pink color on my lips right now. This one's probably my favorite. I just love how light it is and it's just a really pretty color. So what these claim to be, they're skincare for your lips, powered by skincare ingredients, peptides, hyaluronic acid, vitamins C and F, sunflower seed oil, and SPF. Top off your look with our plumping lip oil designed to fill in lines, boost lips moisture barrier, and protect lips with SPF while enhancing your lip definition for a fuller look instantly and over time. I've been using these for about, I don't know, 2 weeks maybe, and I don't notice anything crazy. I just like them. I like the colors. I like how they feel. But I don't think they should call them a lip oil because they're nothing like a lip oil. They're hydrating, but they're not like juicy looking, I would say. So that, I don't know. When I think lip oil, I think it's like juicy, like plump, like, I don't know. These are very, very nice. Don't get me wrong, but they weren't exactly what I was expecting. They come in 4 different colors: pink, peach, coral, and berry. And we're just gonna go through and swatch them. So the results, people are saying 100% had more hydrated lips instantly. 78% had plumper, fuller looking lips instantly. 83% had more hydrated lips after 4 weeks without product on. 78% agreed it visibly restores lip volume after 4 weeks without product on. And then 74% had more defined lip border instantly. All right, so I'm just gonna do a little swatch on my hand of the pink because I already have it on my lips so you guys can see what it looks like on my lips. I'm not gonna reapply it. So let's just do a little swatch. And the applicator, like, oh, and the smell. It kind of smells like medicine. I don't want to say Carmex, but it's something along those lines, like medicine-y. And the applicator is like nothing to write home about. Like I don't know, I'm being very, very like, I've seen a lot of makeup products in my days, and these are like, I don't want to say they're cheap looking, but for as expensive as they are, I feel like they are a little cheap looking. So yeah, that's what the applicator looks like. And then this one is this is the pink. So it's very, very pretty. It's very light. And like I said, these are not very pigmented. So even after you put them on your lips and like, they're not gonna be, like, for example, this one, I was nervous that this one was gonna be really, really dark, but when I put it on, you'll see it's really not. So, okay, that one is the pink. Oh, and by the way, this is how my lips look with nothing on them. Now we are gonna go into the shade Peach. This is probably my second favorite. And this one almost looks like there's like shimmers in it. Do they all look like that? Kind of see like shimmer inside. Yeah, the scent, it's very, very odd. Like I said, it's like very much like medicine. Right, and then that is that one. And that's what this one looks like. Oh, I really like this one too. That one's so pretty. On to, this is the coral. This one is so pretty looking too. And I was worried about this one being super dark, but it's not. Okay, so this one is the coral. This one's super pretty. Then the last one is the berry. And this one I was really worried about it being too dark, but it's really not bad. Like I don't like wearing dark colors, but this one is not bad. This one looks like, so obviously this one is definitely the darkest out of all of them, but it's not like super crazy. All right, so that is the newest product by R&F. I don't know that I'll order them again. I don't know. I'm kind of a lip gloss snob. I have so many different lip glosses and these aren't my favorite. I like them. I will definitely use them. But for the price, I just don't see them like being a staple in my skincare. But they are very pretty and I'm very excited that RODAN+FIELDS is coming out with like, I'm glad that they're venturing out from just skincare, you know. I like that they're doing stuff like this. I hope that they do continue on the road of like doing more makeup stuff because I do really like them. But, all right, well, let me know, have you guys tried these before? What are your thoughts? Do you think they're worth the money? Do you like them? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and we'll see you guys all on my next video. Bye.